Hi, I'm Rhonda, and today we're going to show you how to install a hinge screen on your French door. You will need the following for this job: safety glasses, power drill, 1/8 inch drill bit, 5/16 inch drill bit, Phillips head bit, pliers, and the screen kit that includes a head channel, door handle package, 2 spring latches, 20 1-inch stainless steel screws, 4 3/4 inch stainless steel screws, and 2 screen door panels. For your safety, you should always wear approved safety glasses when working on any project. It may be easier to do this installation with an assistant. Start by placing the head channel at the top of the door opening on the exterior side. Make sure to center it between the right and left side jambs. Use a pencil to mark the pre-punched holes on the brick mold. Set the head channel aside and use the 1/8 inch drill bit to pre-drill holes in the brick mold, using the pencil marks as a guide. Return the head channel in position and fasten it to the brick mold with the number 8 1-inch stainless steel screws. Position either the right or left screen door panel into the frame. Make sure to align it with the head channel. Holding the panel in place, use the 1/8 inch drill bit to pre-drill holes in the brick mold, using the pre-punched holes in the side channel as a guide. Fasten the side channel to the brick mold using the number 8 1-inch stainless steel screws. Now repeat these steps to install the opposite screen door panel. On both doors, trim the black rubber door sweep even with the adjustable bottom expander. Crimp the ends of the slot with pliers on both doors to prevent the sweep from sliding out. Now place the astragal on the passive panel, allowing a 1/8 inch gap between the astragal and the door. With the 1/8 inch drill bit, drill pilot holes in the center of each slot on the back side of the astragal. Drive a 3/4 inch screw through the center of each slot to hold the astragal in place. At the desired height, fold the handle template and tape it to the active door on both sides. Be sure to position the screen door handle so that it does not interfere with the operation of the handle on the primary door. Using the 5/16 inch drill bit, bore 3 holes halfway through on both sides of the panel. Remount only the center hole slightly on both sides by inserting the same drill bit with a slight wobbling action, and allow complete freedom of action for the spindle. Assemble the outside handle starting with the button. Then insert the spindle. And finally insert the spring with the small end in first. Push the assembly through the installation holes from the outside of the door. Depress the button to extend the spindle. Position the interior latch mechanism over the holes on the inside of the door. Guide the spindle into the rectangular slot in the center of the mechanism. Hand thread 2 machine screws into the threaded sleeves on the outside handle. Then tighten each until they are snug. Install the top spring latch to the passive door at the head, using the spacer and screws provided. The base of the latch should be a 1/4 inch down from the head channel. From the inside, install the top strike plate to the head jamb. Check for proper latch engagement. Adjust the bottom expander up or down to the desired position so there is no gap at the bottom of the screen door. Position the remaining spring latch on the bottom expander and the strike plate to the sill. Once the proper location has been determined so that the door is aligned, fasten the screws. The closer may be installed on the top rail of the active door. At the desired height, fasten the jamb bracket to the door frame with the open side of the bracket 1/4 inch from the door edge. Slide the hold open washer onto the closer rod. Using the short connecting pin, connect the closer to the jamb bracket. Attach the door bracket to the closer's tube front hole with the long connecting pin. With the door tightly closed, hold the closer and door bracket against the door in a level position and mark the pilot holes. Drill 2 1/8 inch pilot holes. Be very careful not to drill all the way through the door. Fasten the door bracket to the door with 2 short screws. Open the door and move the hold open washer back of the lugs on the rod. The closer speed may be adjusted by turning the adjusting screw on the end. We have successfully installed a hinged screen on your Therma-Tru French door. If you have any further questions, please contact us by email at customersupport@thermatru.com, by phone at 800-843-7628, on the web at www.thermatru.com, or send us a tweet at Therma-Tru Cares.